How to fix current flow requests not showing on Instagram app in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So first thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps, open the apps page like this, and now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading as you can see, and after that you have to scroll until you find Instagram. Now this is the app informations page. All what you have to do here is click on the data usage and then disable the background data and the roaming data. Go back, click on the storage, click on this option right here as you can see to clear all these data right here. Click on clear data and click on delete. After that, go back, restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.